Today I'm going to talk on how to set up Webex Space on e-learning site, which is the Moodle. So first you need to log into your account using your ID and also password. Next you have to choose your course, and you need to turn the editing on, and then scroll down to the week that you wanted to add the Webex Space. So for this I choose week X and add an activity of resources and choose eLearn Webex. Here you need to give a name to your activity. For this I will just name it as my learning lecture space, and then scroll down and save and return to course. So your space will be here, which is my lecture space. You can click it. So after you click, you'll be seeing in this interface, and you can set up a new meeting in this space. So here you can give a name for your meeting. So for this I just give lecture 2. You need to set up your meeting date and also time. So this would be on 28th of October. Let's make it 8:30 a.m. Sorry, 8:30 a.m. and you click done. You can choose, so that's the date, so that's the duration. You can choose the type, the meeting, training, or event. Or if you choose event, you make it as an event, so nobody will. Okay, next, create meeting. And your meeting will be here, so lecture 2. So you go back to week X. So we turn editing off just to see how a student will see it. So we just click on my lecture space. So your meeting would be here, here, lecture 2. So you can start the meeting right away, then the student can come in. And this is very easy because if you save it in clouds, your recording lecture will be here, so student can access it later. So by that, thank you and goodbye.